Okay. So now the last one that I've got here. I don't know if I'm doubling up here. Let me know if I am with. So I've got the email workflow for when the lead does not opt in. So that's purely they're just opted in on this one form, not this one here. So this video now, this is for when Barb speaks to them on the phone and they don't book an appointment with Barb. So they filled in both forms, but they haven't booked an appointment with Barb. So how I set that up is just in this automation here. So it is leads contact on, so I'll change that. Lead is contacted on phone, did not book an appointment. So what I've just done there is, as soon as the deal stage has been changed to lost, we will add the tag did not book an appointment with Barb, and Barb, that will just require Barb to move them from Facebook lead, VSS, follow up, and if they do not, move them over into, I'll just do a dummy one here. Cool, so I've got a dummy diner in there now. So as soon as someone is moved to the lead has been lost. So you can see up there, I can just drag and drop it up there. So as soon as that's done, once they've been lost there, if they don't, if we can get Barb to just complete that action. So once she calls them up, if they don't want to book an appointment then and there, we then tag them with that, we put them to that automation, tag them with, spoke to Barb on the phone, like did not book appointment with Barb. So then we'll set up another automation that then anyone with that tag will then go through that same automation, same as with this one here. So if someone just didn't straight up only opted in for the guide and didn't opt in for the second call, we can put them both through the same one. That will have that 3 emails over that 1 month period with the schedule once link plugged into that. I hope that's everything that we discussed. There was a few more I've got written down to the form for the homepage, but I'll exclude that one and let's just focus on what you're after now, just so we can get stuff up and running. Obviously I'll get these forms embedded properly and change the coding of them and the design so they look nice, and we can get going. But let me know if everything I've sent through these couple of different walkthroughs makes sense, if that's all cool. And it will work on your end. And I think the biggest thing will be to get the your calendar plugged in. As I said on the phone earlier, I won't be able to integrate that for you just because I don't have access to those calendars. So I'll leave that up to you guys. If you get stuck there, feel free to reach out to me. I can I can have a look at it, or we can get a rep from ActiveCampaign to help us connect all that. But hope that makes sense, mate. If there's anything in there that I've missed, or if there's anything in there that we don't need, or if it's a bit too complicated and we can streamline it in any way, let me know. And feel free to change up all of any of the tags or any of the the naming conventions. I might go through now and then I'll put separation and divorce in brackets after each of these, so we know that that's for that campaign. And there's also, I did have a look, I know that you wanted to see if we could add notes. That might be a more manual thing that Barb or whoever's calling up the leads can add these notes in manually, but we can also set up automations that once someone goes from one stage to another stage, or at any point within any automation, we can add a different deal note or something like that. That one's just a test now for you to get an idea of that capability. So take a look at that too. And let me know if you want me to mix or change anything, or feel free to change anything on your own as well if you see fit, and just let me know how you're going there with the integration into Calendar, and we can get this up and running. Thanks, mate. I will chat to you soon.